An owl out of a paper plate. So I have a colored paper plate here, but if you don't have colored paper plates, you can get some paint of any kind and take your plate and just paint it. Okay, but today I'm going to use the already colored plate. It's a very light blue. You'll have a template that you can download to get the shapes of it and pick out your colors for your wings. And these, I picked out a magenta with polka dots for the inside of the wing. And so it doesn't matter exactly where it goes. Just kind of have an idea placement, and I kind of went along the shape of the plate. This one's going to be a little more dimensional because I do have that lip on my plate, but if you have a flatter plate, it will press down more. So, alright, so I'm going to take just a regular glue stick, or you can use Elmer's glue, and I am going to glue the inside part of my wing. Down on both. That done, I'm going to run glue along this side, the longer side of the wing. And I'm going to glue it to the plate like that. Same thing for the other wing. For the feet, they kind of have claws. You can use some beans or you can use some pasta for the feet. And so you'll take 3 of each. So I'm going to do the pasta. And for gluing's sake, Elmer's glue would probably be better. But here I'm just going to use hot glue. So if you have an adult with you, it's better probably just to put it on the plate. Next, I have googly eyes, but you can take paper and cut out circles of white and then black for your eyes. You don't need to have googly eyes, that's what you can use. And then I'm just going to glue them down on my plate. And then I cut out a beak, which you'll have a pattern for that. Just put a little bit of glue there. And there you have your owl.